Thinking about trying Murf AI? The first thing you'll need is an account. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a Murf AI account in 2026, step by step, so you can get started in just a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the official Murf AI website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, which is usually located near the top right corner of the page. Click the Sign Up button, then choose how you'd like to create your account. You can continue with your Google account for a faster setup, or register using your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, continue to the next step. If you registered with your email address, Murf AI will send you a verification email. Open your inbox, find the message, and click the verification link. Once your email is confirmed, return to the website and sign in to your new account. After signing in, you may see a short welcome or onboarding process. Murf AI might ask how you plan to use the platform or what type of projects you're creating. Simply choose the options that best match your needs and continue. Once the setup is complete, you'll arrive at your Murf AI dashboard. This is where you can create projects, explore the voice library, and access the platform's available tools. Depending on the current plan, you may also receive free credits or trial access to test different features, and that's all there is to it. Your Murf AI account is now ready, and you can start exploring everything the platform has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other Murf AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.